If you've been thinking about buying a home, but feel like your credit score is too low or maybe your debt is too high, you're not alone. I talk to people every single week who ask me the same thing. Can I actually buy a home with bad credit? What if I have a lot of debt from student loans or credit cards? Will I even qualify? Here's the good news. You don't need perfect credit and you don't need to be debt-free. You just need to understand what lenders are actually looking for and how to work the system to your advantage. So let's break it down. First, let's talk about credit scores. Most people think you need a 750 or higher credit score to get approved. That's simply not true. In fact, there's a lot of loan programs that will approve you with a credit score as low as 580 and sometimes even lower with the right documentation. Now, are you going to get the absolute best rate with a lower score? Probably not. But can you still get approved and become a homeowner? Absolutely. And once you own a home and make your payments on time, your credit will likely go up anyway. Buying real estate can actually help you rebuild your financial profile. Next, let's talk about debt. Lenders don't expect you to be debt-free. They just want to see that your monthly debts aren't too high compared to your income. This is called your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI. Every loan type has different limits, but in many cases you can still qualify with a DTI of 43% to even 50% depending on that program. That means if you make $5,000 a month, your monthly debts, including your future mortgage, could be around $2,000 to $2,500 and still considered to be acceptable. So if you've got student loans or a car payment that actually doesn't disqualify you, it's all about how it fits in the bigger picture. Now let's talk strategy. If you're worried about approval, you can take a few smart steps right now. First, check your credit report for any mistakes. They're more common than what you think. Secondly, avoid taking on any new debt or opening new credit cards before applying. And third, connect with a lender early. Don't wait until you found your dream home. A lender can help you build a plan to get approved, even if you're not quite there yet. In some cases, we can even run a rapid rescore to quickly boost your credit with just a few small changes. Other times, we might be able to use a non-traditional credit history like rent or utility payments to show you that you're a responsible borrower. Here's the bottom line. Bad credit, high debt, doesn't mean you can't buy a house. It just means you need the right game plan and someone who knows how to work with buyers in your situation. If that's you, reach out to us. Let's run your numbers and put together a plan to get you into a home sooner than you think. Thanks for watching, and remember, you don't need to be perfect to be a homeowner.